In the morning light, where the city's hung, stands Lucy, her hair dyed red, not undone. By her side, there's Lia, ready to sway, stretching their bodies to greet the day. Their stretches encompass every limb. In the quiet streets, their vigor begins. Lucy arches back, her red locks aflame, while Lia reaches forward in this stretching game. Through alleys and streets, they gracefully glide. Lia matches Lucy, her grace applied. With each step, Lia's presence shines. In her movements, a rhythm entwines. Bounding up steps, laughter rings out. Their energy surges, no room for doubt. Lia follows Lucy step by step. Their synergy palpable, nothing to rep. Underneath the sky, where the morning's wide, Lucy and Lia side by side. Red hair blazing, grace in each stride. In this urban landscape, their spirits ride. Through the streets they roam, their bonds strong, stretching and running all morning long. Lucy and Lia, a dynamic duo, united and free in the heart of the city, where they're meant to be. As the city slows down under the midday sky, Lucy and Lia's footsteps gently pass by. Their journey together, a testament to grace. In the quiet of daylight, they find their space. With hearts full of gratitude, they bid adieu. Their bond unbreakable, their spirits renew. In the calm of the city, their voices fade, but their unity lingers in the memories made.